Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Welcome to our Saturday morning mindfulness meditation sessions. Wonderful to be here. Absolutely wonderful. So let's begin. Find your comfortable place. You're probably already seated. Find a place that's most comfortable for you with privacy and a little bit of quiet. And let's tune in right away as we bring all of who we are into the present. Just taking nice long deep in breaths and nice long out breaths. And as you do so, relax your shoulders. Let it fall back. Relax your belly. In fact, give your entire being permission just to relax, to settle in and to settle down. Relinquish all the external stuff and come into your embodiment, into your internal self. Breathing in and breathing out, and as you bring your body into awareness, honor yourself and give gratitude and thanks for this time that you will be in the here and now, in the present moment, in your stillness, loving yourself and honoring yourself through self-care. So we've completed the 7 grandfather teachings, and it was really a wonderful series, and I just received a beautiful idea the other day from my spirit, maybe now to focus on the 7 African principles, or the NGUZO SABA. So the NGUZO SABA is Swahili for the 7 principles that was developed to reinforce aspects of African culture which contribute to building and supporting family and community and heritage amongst peoples of African descent. It's very, very similar to the 7 grandfather teachings, and what an old healer told me, African healer told me, was when the United States, all the black people there were in dire straits in the 60s, and drugs were rampant and violence and so on. Dr. Maulana Karenga and a group of other African learned men took a trip to Africa because they said, we can't look at the people here to solve our problem for us. We have to go back home to find out what our ancestors did when they were in dire straits. So they traveled through East Africa, West Africa, North Africa, and South Africa, and gathered information. And when they came back, the NGUZO SABA, or the 7 African principles, was born. I wish we could have gone through this during Black History Month, but I still honor all peoples throughout the year. So during Black History Month, we focused on the 7 grandfather teachings, and now we'll move into the 7 African principles, or the NGUZO SABA. Ground yourself to the earth and the earth energy. And continue to relax your body as you breathe in and breathe out, and staying present to your body and all the different bodily sensations. So, Umoja, that's a Kiswahili meaning unity, is the first African principle, unity. What does that mean? It teaches us to strive for and maintain unity in our family, in our community, in our nation, and in our race. Throughout Black history, throughout history, Black thinkers have always advocated the benefits of a unified race. As early as 1847, Frederick Douglass declared, "Our cause is one, and we must help each other if we would succeed." So unity helps us to understand that in order for us as Black peoples to live more peaceful and fruitful lives, we must strengthen and build our families and communities into a unified force that work for the common good of all. And I think this applies for all nations. Beautiful. Let's focus on those beautiful teachings. Continue to relax your body and venture inside of your being in the stillness, where vastness, light, and love resides. Continue to honor yourself in this meditation and become aware of all the different bodily sensations without reacting, without judgment, without commentaries, but just being present in the presence of this love and wisdom and knowledge. In breath and out breath, long breath and short breath. The familiar proverb, when spider webs unite, they can tie up a lion, is a testament to the strength of a unified force. And so when we unite with ourselves and others and our families and with Creator, we form strong cultural ties that is so needed today in the midst of this pandemic and often chaos and uncertainty and the anger that has arisen in so many. And as we sit in our practice today, we also honor and send love and light to all the peoples that are struggling with COVID and the Omicron. We wish them well and health with gentleness and kindness and healing. As you bring your entire body into your awareness, once again honor yourself with love, with kindness, and with compassion, because you deserve it more than anyone else in the entire world. The breath is such a beautiful gift. It connects us right away, and it calms us right away. It also guides us right away. to pure consciousness and the deeper connection to the self. Let's take a last few breaths here. So now slowly and gently wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing new life into them. And then just take a moment, look around you and orient yourself, back to where you are and how you are. And the sensations and feelings definitely so much better right now. What a beautiful sitting. Gratitude. Thank you everyone for sharing your beautiful practice and sitting with all of us this morning. It's always an honor. Have a beautiful, wonderful Saturday and a glorious weekend, and take all of this with you and apply it to your day-to-day life. Namaste, meaning the divine in me, I honor the divine in you, always. Aha.